Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving question 2. Organize the following marks in a class assignments in a table form. So here are some numbers given. These numbers we have to organize them in a table form, and there are some questions also given. So first we'll see how to write numbers in a table form. So this is how we write marks, because we are supposed to be finding the mask. So telemark and frequency. So I've written the numbers. We have to see how many times they occur uh, in this number of series. So first digit is 4. 4 comes one times. So we'll count the number and then we'll draw a telemark. So first number is 4. So I have made a telemark with red pen. So now here we'll cross this 4 because we have written. We don't want to write it again. Next number is 6. So we'll cross the 6 and then make a telemark here. 6. Next number is 7 and 5. So 7 and 5. Oh, we don't have to forget to cross it. 7, 5, 3 and 5. Again we'll cross this because we are going to do fast. So I don't want to waste your time. So 3 and 5. Make a telemark. And then 4, 5, 2, 6. 4, 5, 2, 6. So where is 4? Here it is. 5. Then 2, 6. So where is 2? Here's 2 and 6. You get it right? Okay, now there is 2 and 5. So we'll make a telemark in 2 and 5. Then 1, 9. Then 1 and 9. So we'll make a telemark in 1 and then 9. And next number that occurs in the series is 6, 5 and 8. 6, 5 and 8. So 6, 5 and 8. Why have I crossed this all? Because whenever we have completed 4 lines, we draw the 5th line like this. If we draw 5th line this, it's wrong. So whoever does this, then it's wrong. Now 4, 6 and 7 also. Then 4, 6 and 7. Okay, now this is the telemark. Now we didn't count how many telemarks there are. So in 4 there are 3. In 6 there are 4. In 7 there are 2. And in 5 there are 5 also. And then so on, counting the lines. So this is the answer. Now we'll solve the first question. Which number is the highest number? From this number of series, which number is the biggest number? Means we don't have to see which number of means how many numbers of lines. We have to see the number which is bigger. That would be 9. Of course, because we know from this all number only 9 is bigger than 1 is the smallest. So the first answer will be 9. So question 2's first part's answer is 9. Okay, now I'll write the second part here because there are 4 parts totally in this question 2. Which number is the lowest number? Now, which number is the lowest? Of course. Is it 1 or is it 9? Of course, it's 1. We all know 1 is the smallest number. So, question 2's answer is 1. Okay. Now, we'll go to the third part. Oh, sorry. In this third part, we have to find the range. So, what is the range of the data? What is the range? What's the range formula anyway? Is it smallest number minus greatest number or greatest number minus smallest number? It is greatest number minus smallest number. So we get 8 because 9 is the greatest and 1 is the smallest. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is the answer. Range equals to 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Now we'll find the arithmetic mean. So what is the arithmetic mean? We'll also learn that. So arithmetic mean of this whole data of this data is Arithmetic means short form is AM, not time one. AM. A means arithmetic and M means mean. Arithmetic mean. So the arithmetic means formula is sum of all observation. So observation, how would we write? OBSERVA. Maybe it's correct. Okay. So sum of all observation upon I'll make the upon sign a bit later, but make sure you don't forget in exam. Upon number of observation. NO, short form of number. Number of observation. So we write like this: sum of all observation upon number of observation. This is how we read it also. And now we'll solve it. So means what? First, the number which is upon means which is up. It is sum of all observation. Means the number means these all numbers. And below it, number of observation. We need to count how many numbers they are. How many numbers they are? They are 20. They are only 20. So first of all, we write all of them, then upon 20. So let me write them. So I have written all the number including 7. You might be able not to see it. So upon 20. So I have written in this. I have written 20 because it's going to be the same. Now we'll add this all numbers. So if we add them, we get, let's see. Okay, we get 100. So now we can't write this answer as a fraction form. We can write it in two ways. In decimal, or we'll simplify this. We can simplify this. 21s are, and 100 comes in 20 how many times? 5 times. So the answer of this question is 5. So the arithmetic mean of this whole equation, last part, now fourth part, arithmetic mean is 5. So you can write this as AM, or arithmetic mean equals to 5. But in exam time, you would have to write this formula. Okay, so please note this down. And here is 7. Okay, you won't be able to see it. Okay, I hope you have understood. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. We'll continue question 3 in the next video.